When guys like me offer these reform proposals, we're often confronted with this concern that women are going to be cheated out of their fair share financially in the event of a dissolution. And I don't want to make light of this concern. I certainly understand it. I do think, however, that this fear is born of an incorrect understanding that many are beholden to about our law. As I've discussed in previous videos, and as I think I demonstrated pretty well in Chapter 2, the law always tried to protect women. So, for instance, prior to no-fault divorce, a man was obligated to maintain his wife in financial circumstances that were similar to what they had enjoyed prior to the end of the marriage. And certainly under our current regime, men are required to compensate women financially. You wouldn't have a scenario, for instance, where a man acquired wealth while his wife was at home raising their children, foregoing career and educational opportunities, and then that man run off with his secretary and then try to leave his wife destitute. The law wouldn't allow that. A man in that scenario would have to compensate his wife financially, and rightfully so. Under the reform proposals that I've offered, the law would continue to protect women in such scenarios. The only difference is that the law would also protect men who find themselves in the opposite scenario. As it stands now, a man who acquires wealth, good father, good husband, doesn't engage in adultery, habitual drunkenness, domestic violence, and then his wife decides she needs to go find herself or go on her own journey or some foolishness like that, and then she leaves the marriage, she's still entitled to all kinds of financial compensation. So the law doesn't protect men in that scenario. With the proposals that I've made, the law would protect both men and women.